we are going to trace in the shape of the back slats. The back slats are the pieces that you lean against in the chair. And they've got this kind of fun, wavy, organic shape that we are going to use the CNC router to cut. So we're going to trace this in. We're going to trace this single line. These have a thickness of 3/4 of an inch. So we'll take the curve that we create and we'll offset it by 3/4 of an inch, and we will connect those lines to make our back slat. So we're going to open up the curve tool, this horseshoe shape, open up this submenu and select the interpolate points curve. We're going to click right on the corner of this, and we're going to just start plotting points and trace this line. And we want to do as few points as we can to maintain the nice smooth transition in these curves. We want to have a smooth feel to this as we lay this in our chair. I'm going to zoom in and end on that line right there. And I'll hit enter and I'll end my line. And I can turn off my back slats layer and I can see the curve that I've created. Once I've got that, I'm going to select that curve, and in my command line I'm going to type in offset. And I'm going to click on distance and put in a distance of 3/4 of an inch. Enter. I'm going to pull down and click. And if I turn that image off again, that layer, the back slats layer, you'll see now I've got a perfect copy of that, 3/4 of an inch down. All I have left now to do is take a polyline and connect that, and connect that, and I'm going to join those together. And now we have our back slat shaped. You can see these are supposed to have a distance of 35 inches in length. So if I grab my Analyze tool, click on distance, I'm going to snap to the end. I'm going to hold my shift key down and come to where I think the end is down here and click. And you'll see this is 34.85 inches. So I've got this scaled to the size that I want that to be. With that, I will save my file somewhere and make sure I title this side rail and back slat, and I'm going to replace template file. I'm going to put my name at the front, so Mr. V's side rail and back slat. You put your name on your file and save that file. In the next video, we will discuss how to trace and shape the side rail.